Okay, let's solve the question number 29, which says that mm, x plus 5, the two real number xy satisfying the condition x plus 5 whole square plus y plus 10 whole square x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square is equal to 196. Okay, then the minimum possible value of, so we have to minimize this, x square plus 2x plus y square minus 4y. So we are going to use Lagrange's multiplier method to minimize it. So for this I am considering this as f of xy is equal to x square plus 2x plus y square minus 4y. I am considering this g of xy is equal to x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square is equal to minus 196 is equal to 0. So I am considering lxy is equal to fxy plus lambda into g of xy. So now the value of fxy is x square plus 2x plus y square minus 4y plus lambda into g of xy is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square minus 196. So now we are going to find del L del x. So that is I am going to differentiate partially with respect to x. So that would be 2x plus 2 plus lambda into 2 into x plus 5. So now del L del y, that is differentiating y with respect to differentiating L with partially with respect to y, that would be 2y minus 4y plus 2 lambda into y minus 10, and del L del lambda will give us x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square minus 196. Now equating all of this with 0, I will get, for equating this 0, I will get, and cancelling 2 from, so x plus 1 plus lambda into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So taking x common, I can write 1 plus lambda is equal to minus 5 lambda plus 1, right? So the value of x is equal to minus 5 lambda plus 1 by 1 plus lambda. Now equating this with 0, I will get, and cancelling again I am going to cancel, I am cancelling y, cancelling 2, I can write, so just a second, so sorry, yeah, so cancelling 2, I can write y minus 2 plus lambda into y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, taking y common, I can write it, 1 plus lambda is equal to 2 plus 10 lambda, and hence y is equal to 2 plus 10 lambda by 1 plus lambda, right? So now equating this with 0, I will get x plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square is equal to 196 square, 196, right? So now I am going to put the values of this. So the value of x is minus of 5 lambda plus 1 by 1 plus lambda, mine plus 5. The value of y is 2 minus 10 lambda by 1 plus lambda, 2 plus 10 lambda by 1 plus lambda minus 10 is equal to 196. So square square. So in the numerator it will be 1 plus lambda is whole square into this, so that would be minus 5 lambda plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 lambda, sorry, it is minus, yeah, minus 5 lambda minus 1 plus 5 plus 5 lambda is whole square plus, and that would be 2 plus 10 lambda minus 10 lambda by 1 plus lambda this whole square is equal to 196. 10 lambda out, 5 lambda out. So 5 minus that is 4 square. 4 square by 1 plus lambda is whole square plus again it is 8 square by 1 plus lambda its whole square is equal to 196, right? So taking 4 square common from the numerator, I can write this 4 square that is 1 plus 2 square by 1 plus lambda its whole square is equal to 196. So equating this, so from this I can say 5 by 1 plus lambda is equal to 1 plus lambda whole square is equal to 49 by 4. So I can write root over of 5 by 1 plus lambda is whole square is equal to 7 by 2 its whole square. So from this I can say root over of 5 by 1 plus lambda is equal to plus minus 7 by 2, right? So if I take the positive value, I can say root over of 5 by 1 plus lambda is equal to 7 by 2 and root over of 5 by 1 plus lambda is equal to minus 7 by 2. So from this I will get 2 root 5 by 7 is equal to 1 plus lambda and the value of lambda is 2 root 5 by 7 minus 1. Okay, so from this I can say the value of minus 2 root 5 by 7 is equal to 1 plus lambda and hence the value of lambda is minus of 1 plus 2 root 5 by 7. So we got the values of lambda. So now you can see there is no restriction. So we got the value of lambda. Now we are going to put this value in these equations. So first we are going to put this value. So actually 1 plus lambda is equal to 2 root 5 by 7, right? So we actually can write it minus 1 plus lambda and then numerator I can write 5 into lambda plus 1 minus 4, right? So now we are going to put the value of 1 plus lambda, so that would be minus 5 into the lambda value of this is 2 root 5 by 7 minus 4 by 2 root 5 by 7. So that is equal to minus 2 root 5 by 7 to so 10 root 5 minus 28 by 7. So cancelling 7 I can write minus 10 root 5 minus 28 by 2 root 5. So cancelling 2, so I can write minus 5 root 5 minus 40. So that would be 14 minus 5 root 5. So the value of x is 14 minus 5 root 5. Now I am going to put this value here. So I can write 10 into lambda plus 1 minus 8 by 1 plus lambda. So 10 into the value of lambda plus 1 is 2 root 5 by 7. So 2 root 5 by 7 minus 8 by 2 root 5 by 7. So I can write it is nothing but 20 root 5 minus 56 by 2 root 5. So actually cancelling 7, so I can write it 10 root 5 minus 28 by root 5. So sorry, there is a root 5, right? there is a root 5, there is a root 5. Okay, so this is the value of y. Okay, so this is one point. Now we need to find another point, that is taking by putting the negative values. So the points are 14 minus 5 root 5 by root 5, comma 10 root 5 minus 28 by root 5. Okay, and we need to find out another point. Okay, now for this what I am going to do, I am going to put minus. Okay, from this I got 1 plus minus 2 by root 5, so I am going to put this value. So x is equal to minus 5 into lambda, this value, right? So minus 2 minus 5 into, going to put this value is what, 1 plus lambda is minus 2 root 5 by 7. So minus 2 root 5 by 7 minus 4 by 1 plus minus 2 root 5 by 7. So I am cancelling this minus with this minus, so I can write it minus of 2 root 5 by 7 in the numerator, that would be minus 2, so 10 root 5 minus 28 by 2, so that would be taking minus common, 7 out and cancelling 2 from the numerator and denominator, I can write root 5 into 5 root 5 plus 14, right? 5 root 5 plus 14, this is the value of x. Now putting this value in y, I can write the y is this. So actually this problem is very lengthy. So by y plus 1, so putting the negative value, minus 2 root 5 by 7 minus 8 by minus 2 root 5 by 7, so that would be, there is a minus. Okay, so that would be cancelling 7 2, that would be 20 root 5 minus 56 by 2 root 5, so plus, so that would be 10 root 5 plus 28 by root 5. Okay students, so this is the value of y. So the another point is 5 root 5 plus 14 by root 5 minus comma, if you take 2 common, you can write it minus 2 common, taking, no, I'm not doing anything, 28 by root 5. Now we need to put these values in the given equation to see which value is minimum. So this is the given equation. Where does it go? Yeah. So now we are going to put this value in this given equation. So this is the given equation, we need to put the values here. So for this, first of all, let us see the values, first values of x and y. This is the value, first value of x and y. So just a second, where does it go? You actually can see, I can write it No, I am keeping this. Now I am going to put the values of x. Where does it go? Yeah, this is the last value. This is the winning value. So what I am going to do? Now I need to put this value. Okay, so for this, what I am going to do? I am. You can see this x is twice of y. You can see that the value of x is equal to the value of y is equal to twice of x, right? So I am going to put it. So x square plus 2x plus I think it is minus 2 times of x. Okay, so minus, yeah, okay, minus 2x. So plus 4y x square plus 8x, right? So that would be 5x square plus 10x. So now we are going to put the values. So x square equal to 5 into 14 minus 5 root 5 its whole square by 5 plus 10 into x is equal to 14 minus 5 root 5 by root 5. So cancelling this, so that equal to 186, 286 minus, yeah, I think it is 196 minus 140 root 5 plus 125 minus, so plus 2 root 5 into 14 minus 5 root 5, and if you calculate this you will get 271 minus 112 root 5. So this is our answer. So you can see that this is our option A. So option A is our correct option. Okay students.